Okay, we're going to show you guys how to install a rivet. This is going on a gutter using a 1/8 bit. Here's my rivet. I'm going to drill 2 holes. Go ahead and do one on the other side. Alright, I'm going to take my rivet, put it in this rivet gun. Hold it tight, squeeze. And that's one. Let me do the 2 on the other side. These are burnished slate. Okay, this is a Blue Point rivet gun. It's got 4 different tips you can use for different size rivets. We already had the one that we're supposed to use for it. I'm going to show you guys how it actually works. Squeeze it. That's the first pump. And last one. Once that releases, it expands in the 1/8 hole. That's it for this video. We'll upload a gutter tube installation video shortly. Thanks for watching.